Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're now watching another episode of my reaction for today. I'm going to react on one of Bine's videos in here. This is from One Down. Hashtag Bini, play Lost in Translation, horrible Google Translate. It's so interesting because yeah, I also used to translate from Google and it's kind of very hilarious, it's not that on point, that is so exact translation. Anyway, I'm gonna watch it. So yeah, I'm so excited guys, let's go. Okay.
Hi, we are Beanie, and today we're gonna be playing Lost in Translation.
Okay, we ran Beanie song lyrics through different languages on Google Translate. Okay. They have to figure out what the original lyrics were and they then have to sing it. This is so cool.
Are you ready? Yes, we are. Let's go. Okay, first.
I love that. We are born ready. Stacy. Okay.
Saan ka pupunta? Sa bundok o sa dalampasigan?
I love that. It's like, an AI voice. So, saan ka pupunta? It has no emotion.
Isang bagyo. Hindi ito madaling isipin. Kung ako.
Walang problemang iisipin pa kung ikaw naman ang laging makakasama. Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Dami-dami Alam ko, saan ka pupunta? Sa bundok o sa dalampasigan? Sa isang kabagyo. Hindi ko madaling isipin kung ako.
Okay. So fun, yeah.
Minsan ayoko matulog normal pero mahirap ginawa niya ang lahat.
Oh. It's actually not necessarily that it's translated in Tagalog from Tagalog also. So there are alterations. Okay, I get it now. And it's not gonna be the same lyrics at all. It's difficult for them.
Oh, it's wrong. Oh, it's wrong. Kapit lang. Kapit lang. Ayoko nang bumangon. Nalulunod sa lungkot at galit. Pero kahit mahirap, gagawin ang kailangan. Minsan ayoko matulog. Normal, pero mahirap. Ginawa niya ang lahat. Ginawa.
Ito ang pag-ibig. Gusto mo bang umuwi kapag namatay ka? Ayaw mo niyan, ngunit hindi.
Ito ay pag-ibig. Gusto mo bang umuwi kapag namatay ka? That is so funny. Anyway.
Niya ito kayang mag-isa, hindi ko alam kung ano ang gusto mong puno ang phone ko. Mga halimbawa, hello, gusto mo bang sumama sa tanghalian? Hindi kita tiningnan sa mata noong nandoon ako. Thank you po.
I love that. Thank you po.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Gusto mo ba umuwi kapag namatay? Parang ano? Gusto mo tayong umuwi kapag namatay ka? Di ba? Actually, wala sa'yo. Feeling ko, puno ng usapan.
They got a hint on the phone.
Kumain ka na ba? Oo nga.
Okay.
Ano, saka may telepono may party list. Tama. Telepono ko ay puno ng usapang mahalaga sa akin. Di ba magandang umaga? Kumain ka na ba? Pag narito ka na hindi maalis sa'yo ang aking baby. Ay, walang baby. Oh, tama. Pero
It's so weird.
And then may ano din, gusto
Yung
mo
phone
sumama sa
mo.
tanghalian. Is that the one?
Tsaka yung
Wala sa'yo piling. Telepono ko ay puno ng usapan.
Yeah, that's correct. Of course.
But yeah, the wine starts at pag-ibig.
yes.
Pag ika'y tinamaan.
Ah,
Ito ay pag-ibig. Gusto mo ba umuwi ka pagkamatay ka? Ayaw mo yan. Ngunit hindi niya ito ay mag-isa. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang gusto mo. Puno ang pugo ang halimbawa. Hello, ano gusto mo? Sumama sa tanghalian. Hindi ka lingan sa mata mo.
very weird translation. Okay, nailed it. It's so fun.
Pero parang gusto ko. Mahal pa rin niya ito. Ngunit hindi niya magawa.
Lagi. Pero,
Puro naalala ko yun.
guys, let's listen to them. We're gonna listen to Bulgarian. Oh, nagets ko yun. Nagets ko yun. Pero teka lang. Parang napagdaanan ko na ito na pamahal.
Oh,
At nabigo. Pero di makawa.
oh. Got it.
Okay, game. One.
Sa ibang kurso, musika mula sa kusina.
Mm.
Kaya ipinagpatuloy niya ang usapan, I love you, ang sigaw ng umaga.
Gabi na siya umuwi.
Gabi na siya umuwi at likod lagi kitang iniisip. Lagi.
Lagi nang nagpapasabi, mahal kita mula umaga hanggang malala na, hanggang gabi pauwi at bago matulog nang mahimbing, naiisip kita lagi-lagi.
I love that. They have really a harmonization.
Lagi-lagi, lagi-lagi, para sa ibang kurso, musika mula sa
What is it? Ibang kurso. It means to say you have a different course. So it's really lost in translation.
kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi-lagi, di na nagpapalo niya ang usapan. I love you ang sigaw ng umaga. Gabi na siya uuwi. At di ko lagi,
Talos gabi-gabi akong natutulog. Iniisip kita. No. Wow. Ang oras para mangarap tanungin ang sarili kung bakit. Kasalanan mo ba? Oo.
That is so funny.
ng puyat sa kakaisip.
Oh.
Kakaisip. Na-na-na.
Ah. Ah.
So, how do you think you did with this challenge?
I think we did super great.
Yeah.
It's so hard. It's broken on Tagalog, but I think we guessed everything, and yeah, it was so much fun.
The translations are really funny because it translated to something very weird.
Yeah, and also it's very challenging to sing the broken Tagalog to match the
original sound.
Mm. Oh, that's it.
Yes, and we just released our second album called Feel Good. It has 5 original tracks with 2 bonus tracks. Yes. Yeah,
Oh.
make sure to stream and you can listen to it on digital streaming platforms.
Okay, so that's it, guys. That's hashtag BD Play Lost in Translation. Horrible Google Translate. That is so fun. A very fun game. You know, the translations are really lost, and we can relate to it because Google is really that way. You know, because it's just AI generated. So there are really a lot of misinterpreted words in there. Beanie really did great in that. That is just so hard. Anyway, that just tells that they really know their songs, you know. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's from One Down. I'm gonna watch other Beanie funny moments in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye bye.